Good afternoon, friend. Myself, Bharat Nagre, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany. Today's topic is atmosphere and its composition. Here is image of atmosphere. Our Earth, gaseous envelope. First layer is the troposphere. Second is stratosphere, and third one is mesosphere, and ionosphere or thermosphere, and last one is exosphere. The definition of the atmosphere. An atmosphere is the layer of gases surrounding a planet or any other celestial body. Is a gaseous layer around any planet or any celestial body. For example, our Earth is one of the planet. The gaseous envelope over the Earth is also called as atmosphere. The second one is gaseous surrounding a star or any planetary body held in place by gravity. The third one is the gaseous envelope surrounding the Earth, also called as atmosphere. Atmosphere composed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and all remaining gases are 1%, like argon, neon, krypton, xenon, etc. Carbon dioxide. Here is our Earth system. Earth system. Like biosphere is divided into three, like hydrosphere, geosphere or lithosphere, and atmosphere. Is the biosphere means living things, plant, animal, etc. All three part like atmosphere, gaseous envelope, hydrosphere like water, geosphere or lithosphere like soil or mountain. Is a living thing means biosphere, hydrosphere means water in the form of lake, seas, marine, fresh water. It is the atmosphere, and geosphere means lithosphere or soil. The composition of air or atmosphere. Maximum region of atmosphere is occupied by nitrogen. Here is 78% of nitrogen. And then next one is oxygen, about 21% oxygen, and remaining all other gases are 1%. Here is 1%. All other gases like argon, krypton, xenon, carbon dioxide about 0.4%, argon 0.9%, etc. Other gases like carbon dioxide, water, vapor, methane, etc. are present in the atmosphere. Here is a diagrammatic representation of all or percentage of all gases. Here is the structure and composition of the atmosphere. The atmosphere is divided into about five layer like troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, uh, thermosphere, and exosphere, depending upon the temperature and height of the uh, height, height height of the uh, height height of the atmosphere. The layer is depend upon the temperature. First one is the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere or ionosphere, and last one is the exosphere. First, the troposphere is about 12 kilometer, approximately 7 to 20 kilometer length of this troposphere. The temperature is a decrease from bottom to top, like here the temperature is almost decrease about minus 60 to minus 60 degree Celsius. Then suddenly temperature increase in the stratosphere, here steady temperature, and suddenly increasing from the uh, about 12 kilometer to 15 kilometer is called as stratosphere. Stratosphere, the boundary of stratosphere is the stratosphere. Next zone is the mesosphere. Here the temperature also decrease, also called as coolest zone of the atmosphere. Next one is the thermosphere, like aerosphere or ionosphere, from the 50 to the here is a thermosphere, 18 to about 400 kilometer is called as thermosphere, and next one is the exosphere, the layer of the atmosphere. There are five layers in the structure of atmosphere depending upon the temperature. First one is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. First layer is the troposphere. It is considered as the lowest layer of the Earth atmosphere. The troposphere starts at the surface of the Earth and goes up to the height of 7 to 20 kilometer approximately, but average is 12 kilometer. All weather occur in this layer like rainfall, precipitation, thundering, clouding are uh, occur in this layer. Most important layer of the atmosphere. This layer has a water vapor and mature particle are present. Temperature decrease at the rate of 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meters of the height or 6.4 degrees Celsius about 10 kilometer per 10 kilometer decrease. The boundary of this troposphere is tropopause and separates troposphere to stratosphere. Second one is the stratosphere. It is the second layer of the atmosphere found above the troposphere. Extend up to the 15 kilometer from this about 12 kilometer to 15 kilometer range or height of this layer. The ozone layer are formed in this layer. Most important layer is because of the is absorb harmful radiation, ultraviolet A, ultraviolet B, light, etc. This layer is a very dry because little water or vapor is contained. This layer provides some advantages for flight because it is above stormy weather and has a steady, strong horizontal weight. The ozone layer is found in this layer. It absorbs UV rays, is harmful rays, and safeguard Earth from these harmful radiations. Stratosphere separate stratosphere and mesosphere is the boundary of stratosphere called as stratosphere. Next one is the mesosphere. The mesosphere is found above the stratosphere. It is the coolest of the atmospheric layer because the temperature is decreased in this layer about minus 90 to minus 100 degree Celsius. The mesosphere starts from 50 kilometer above Earth's surface and goes above 80 to 85 kilometer. The temperature drops with altitude in this layer. By 80 kilometer, it reaches up to minus 100 degrees Celsius temperature. Meteors burn up to in this layer. The upper limit is called as mesosphere or boundary of mesosphere is mesopause and separate mesosphere and thermosphere. Thermosphere is this layer is found above the mesopause from 80 to 400 kilometers. Radio wave which transmitted from the earth reflected back by this layer on to the earth. The temperature increase with height. Aurora and satellite occur in this layer. Aurora is the lightning of the molecule which is ionized form. Blue or red light are occur. Ionosphere, the lower thermosphere is called as ionosphere. The lower thermosphere is called as ionosphere. Ionosphere consists of electrically charged particles known as ions. This layer is defined as the layer of atmosphere of Earth that is ionized by cosmic and solar radiation. It position between 80 to 400 km above the mesopause is the boundary of mesosphere. Last one is the exosphere. It is the outermost layer of the atmosphere, the zone where molecule and atom escape into the space is mentioned as the exosphere. It extends from the top of the thermosphere up to 10,000 km. The temperature is also increased. Is the image clearly seen atmospheric structure. The Earth from the beginning or first layer of the atmosphere is troposphere about 12 km. The boundary of troposphere is called as tropopause. The lightning, clouding, thundering, balloons, aeroplanes all takes place in this troposphere, most important of the atmosphere. Next one is the stratosphere. The stratosphere beginning from about 50 to 80 kilometers. The ozone layer is formed in this layer, which safeguard from the harmful radiation from the sun, like ultraviolet B, cosmic ray, gamma ray, etc. The next layer is the mesosphere. The boundary of stratosphere is called as stratopause. The mesosphere transpose stratopause about 50, 80 kilometer to mesosphere 400. Here is a troposphere from 0 to 12 kilometer. Next 12 to 15 kilometer, 15 to 80 kilometer are mesosphere, and next one is the thermosphere. It is a or ionosphere. Here satellites, spacecraft, etc. are occur. What are the carbon lines is the outer boundary of the Earth, atmosphere, and other la exosphere or space is a boundary of atmosphere, like from Earth and other other planet. Next one is the exosphere. We start from 400 kilometer and above, or 700 kilometer and above, 10,000 kilometer. Here is exobase is also boundary. Here is a spacecraft are revolve around each other. There is a troposphere about 12 to 18 kilometers. The boundary of troposphere is called a tropopause. Next one is the stratosphere. The boundary of this stratosphere is the stratopause about 12 to 15 kilometer. Then mesosphere start from 15 to 80 kilometer. Here the meteorite are Earth. The coldest temperature. Here is the hottest temperature. Also here is troposphere is a cool temperature. Next one is a thermosphere from 18 kilometer to 700 kilometer. Temperature also decrease because here decrease. Here troposphere temperature increase. So also decrease. Thermosphere about aurora are seen, and next one is the exosphere. Here is satellite outer boundary or outer space of the Earth about 700 to 10,000 kilometer. Thank you for your kind attention.